What's good, y'all? We got a quick and easy installation video for you guys today for your iPhone 15 Pro, and it's from my favorite place to get screen protectors for your iPhones, and that's from Mothca. This is the matte series for your iPhone 15 Pro, so let's go ahead and get it. So it really ain't nothing to it. I'm really not trying to take all your time up for installation. Like, this is a matte glass, anti-glare glass screen protector. So the installation process is pretty simple. I'm probably gonna have more struggles opening this case than actually putting on the screen protector. So let's just see how easy this goes. Now, there we go. Should have just did that at first. There we go. Oh, okay. So this is new. They got a frame now. I don't think they had it before. But here's your installation kit. So you get stickers, dust removal stickers. You get your cleaning cloth and everything in there. Nice. Now this is also at least new to me. Lens protectors. I will not be using these, so not really my thing. So honestly, I wouldn't suggest you use them either. Like, what happens is you end up getting a little bit of not condensation, but air still can get behind this, so it's going to fog up and get dirty on the inside at some point. So it's kind of pointless. But here we are, got our screen protector right here. We're gonna go ahead and throw this joint on. I got my own towel. You a techie, you've been doing this for a minute. You probably have your own favorite microfiber cleaning cloth, but I got mine nice and soft joint right here. What I do like to do though, I do like to use them dust removal stickers, so that's what we're gonna get into. Get rid of this dust, because my environment ain't exactly the cleanest. So we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the alcohol pad. Shout out to Mothca for giving you at least a decent size alcohol pad. I've had a couple of these, I don't even know. I had a couple of these that are real small, like definitely smaller than this, so I ain't mad at this at all. Quick little wipe down. Now, I feel like the art of putting on screen protectors is to actually do them as fast as possible without too much thinking. Because the moment you start second guessing and doing all this extra mess, that's when you start to develop more dust and, things get hectic. So we're gonna try to throw this on quick. So yeah, the top says right there on the top. Now, see, my OCD starting to kick in. I seen a little hair pop up. It seemed like it came from the frame. I almost don't even want to use a frame now because of that. But yeah, I think we're okay now. There we go. Let's go ahead and hope for the best. The idea really is just to drop this on. Let that thing do its thing for a little bit. I'm a little worried about the little pill cutout thing right there. We'll see how that goes, but I think we got a pretty successful installation. Let's see. I think we good. Dynamic island seems to be perfectly in line. It's hard to tell. Let me get to there we go. I can see that. So check that out. Let me cut that off real quick. See that little matte non-reflective? Yeah, that's clean. Super, super clean. Super clean. Only way for me to go matte, that's just how I rock. Every now and then I switch it up to gloss, to get a little bit more clarity, but matte is just so nice. It's smooth, less fingerprints. That's my thing. So that is the Mothca matte screen protector for your iPhone 15 Pro. I will have links for that below. Once again, like I said, it's my favorite. You honestly probably can't go wrong with a lot of these screen protectors. They pretty much do the same thing. They protect your screen. I think the biggest difference between a lot of them will be the installation process. So find one that's going to be easy for you. This one does have a frame now, so just a nice little easy drop in. Anyway, it's your man. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share, do it up for your boy. It's your man Wayne Train. We out.